Dr. Lee Nagel, and I wanted to invite you to an office tour here in the office. We oftentimes, when patients come in, they don't realize how comprehensive this office is. And really, whatever your health goals are, we can help you reach those. And so I thought the best way to get that across is just explain what it is that we do here. So we look at this office as a complete resource for wellness. So we have chiropractic, where we take care of kids, pregnant women, structural correction like scoliosis or whiplash problems, babies, elderly, you name it, we can take care of those. Then we have True Weight Loss Solutions, which is rapid, healthy weight loss. These programs are all within this building. And then at Midwest Functional Health, we take on cases of dementia and Alzheimer's and autism and autoimmune and help people with solutions for those sort of conditions. So why don't you come with me? I'll give you an office tour here. Tables that lay down. These tables in here have a lot of bells and whistles where we can work with disc problems with your back, disc problems with your neck, and here's Dr. Sullivan doing his notes. So we're on a lunch break now, so we don't have any patients in here. More tables for different conditions. And then here, this is our Midwest Functional Health office. This office is ran by Aaron. So with Midwest Functional Health, we work on detoxification, so gut work, gut dysbiosis, diet, and then heavy metal and biotoxin toxicity. We can actually detox those. And we keep coming back here. This is our rehab area. This is Faith. On this side, we do structural correction. So if the spine's crooked or the head's really far forward, we have the technique and the ability and the equipment to actually make those corrections. So here's an example of that. This is a case where we had scoliosis, and then this is after months of correction. So over here, we take care of a lot of disc problems. So surgery alternatives to these disc cases or herniated discs or bulge discs would be this table right here for the neck, and then this table for the low back. And we describe it as, if you think of a disc like an ice cream sandwich, when you smash it, the sides bulge out. What we're doing is pulling those apart to draw the sides back in. That's the simplest way I can explain that. And here's some befores and afters. So big herniations, reduced. So these herniations cause pain down your legs and arms. Oftentimes people seek surgery for that. So it's a surgery alternative. So it's a big circle. So back down this hallway, this is our weight loss office. This is Cassidy Coons. She's been our weight loss coach, part of creating this program 7 years ago. We get great results, rapid, healthy weight loss. So then in here, this is Stephanie. She runs our tissue regenerative treatment machine. She's our certified technician. This is an amazing healing machine. It's technology that's been in Europe for over 12 years. It uses an energy wave to remove the inflammation from the tissue, and then it stimulates stem cells to come in and heal it. I mean, we've just had taken care of hundreds and hundreds of patients with amazing results, and she's our expert with that. So up here to conclude your tour, this is Michelle.
Hi.
She's been with me for a long time, and so has Brenda. So they've been here years and years and years. So Michelle does our billing. Brenda is our patient advocate. So she runs the front desk and then manages exams and lots of different things for our patients. So that's your office tour. I hope you enjoyed it.